Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my EXO-SC What a Life inspired design. Start off by painting your index nail neon blue, your pinky nail dark orange, and all of your other nails yellow. Use striping tape to section off a square at the bottom left of your index nail and to separate your middle nail into thirds. Fill in the square and the top and bottom sections of the middle nail with white, and then remove the striping tape. On the index nail, use black to make the outline of two champagne glasses. You can use white paint or polish to correct any mistakes. Add the champagne to the glasses by adding a little bit of light yellow to the bottom of each glass. Sealing your design with a top coat. Use white paint or polish to make Sehun and Chanyeol's silhouettes on the yellow section. If you're using really opaque polishes or paints, you can skip this step and go straight to using colors. I'm using white first because the polishes that I'm using for the jackets would both look dull if I painted them directly onto the yellow. Once you have the silhouettes painted and filled in, you can start adding colors. I started by filling in the faces and necks with beige. Next, use a dark orange polish for Chanyeol's jacket. Add a shirt with light yellow and then add shading under the chin with a darker beige. Use white for the hair and then add the lapels using black and red polishes. For Sehun's jacket, I used a neon blue and then I used black for both his shirt and his hair. Sealing your design with a top coat. Section off a thin, horizontal stripe in the center of your nail and then fill it in with black. Make a skewed black C underneath the line and then make a skewed black S above it. One thing that I noticed while painting the letters was that you want the bottom curve of the S to mirror the top curve of the C. Sealing your design with a top coat. Section off the top left side of your nail and fill it in with white. Use black paint or polish to make two palm trees on the white section. Sealing your design with a top coat. Use black paint or polish to make the arrow logo from the album cover. Sealing your design with a top coat, and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!